Hi Olivia, thanks for visiting my new apartment. You're looking great.
Oh. It looks amazing. Thanks for inviting me over. I love this furniture.
Thanks. The furniture was here when I moved in. Do you want to eat some cake?
Yeah. Thanks. So, please tell me. How do you live as a college student?
Well, in the beginning, it was hard for me to adapt to a new life. I grew up in the countryside. I was not used to living in a big city. I didn't have any friends here, and I felt pretty lonely. I missed my parents and my friends. It was hard for me to hang in there. But things have changed for the better. I've finally made a few good friends to hang out with.
That's great to hear. What's a typical day in your life like?
Well, I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m. I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth. Then, I exercise every morning. I can't do without it. Before exercising, I take a shower. After that, I have a breakfast. I write down my list of things to do for the day. You know, I always plan my day. I have a strict schedule, and I always try to accomplish those things. Before leaving the house, I always check the weather, and I pick out the right outfit. Maybe I'll bring an umbrella. The bus will pick me up at 8 a.m., and my classes always start at 9 a.m.
How many meals do you have a day?
I have 4 or 5 meals a day. I have noticed I need to eat more to build muscle. So, I ate more protein and exercised more. I feel really strong. I have more energy this way, and I can concentrate much better. I will leave school at 3 p.m., and I will go to the gym. Exercising helps me calm down when I'm stressed. It depends on other days. But typically, I get home around 5 p.m. Then, I change clothes and cook dinner. I will have dinner after I take a shower. Then, I lie down for a few minutes and watch some of my favorite shows on my phone. Next, I study for a few hours. Then, I watch TV. I usually like comedies. Before going to bed, I often read books. It helps me have good emotions and helps my sleep better. I plan on taking a Chinese course this year. That's my new goal. I love to learn and try out new things all the time.
Yeah, I see. I also have many goals I would like to achieve. I want to sign up for a gym membership, but I just keep putting it off. I plan on keeping a diet and cutting down on sweets, but I never make it. I need something sweet every day to help me get through busy days. I need a lot of energy. To sum it all up, I think I'm a mess. I have no motivation to do that.
Oh. You just stick to your goals and don't give up. Your effort will finally pay off.
Oh. I see. What do you usually do in your free time?
Sometimes, I sleep in on weekends. When I'm tired. I love going out to eat with my friends and my family. What about you? You're in the second year, right? What's your day like?
My schedule always doesn't know how I organize it. As I told you, I'm a mess. I get up pretty late, about 9 a.m. My chaotic morning messes up the rest of the day. I wish I could wake up earlier. But sleep holding me back each morning. I go to bed very late at about 11:30 p.m. I haven't been able to change this yet. But I'm working on it.
I'm sure you'll finally make it.
I have a very busy schedule. That's why I never show up on time anywhere. The problem is that I have a part-time job at the supermarket. So, I go to work every day after classes. There is just too much going on in my life right now. So, I think I handle stress quite well.
Maybe you need to slow down and cut back on some activities. Otherwise, you'll burn yourself out.
You're perfectly right. I will cut back some activities and spend a lot of time to rest. Would you like to come to my house Sunday night? I will have a party.
I'm not sure about that. You know, I don't like parties.
Please, don't turn me down. We'll have a great time.
Okay. If it's so important to you, I'll try to come.
Great. I'm looking forward to it.
Can I come there with my friend?
Of course. The more the merrier. I have to go now. I don't want to take up any more of your time. And I have to get down to studying.
Okay. See you on Sunday night. Bye.
That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. I hope this video will help improve your English listening skills. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you again in the next videos.